This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 7th of November. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather returns to the valley and temperatures will remain above average for the next several days, but a gradual cooling trend starts to take place next week. Do we have any more rain chances in the forecast? We'll get into it. First, the almanac from yesterday. 86 degrees was the high in the valley. 64 was the morning low. And a trace of rain officially in the bucket, although some of you did see some measurable rain yesterday, even a few reports of small hail. Outside now here at 6:45 a.m. Clear skies to start this day. 63 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 44, humidity 52%. The winds are light, the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 48 the cool spot at Goldfield, 50 at Fort McDowell. Most of us are in the mid-50s to mid-60s. The upper air look, our area of low pressure that brought the inclement weather yesterday, moving off to the east as an open wave, ridging building in behind that, and that's going to keep us warm for a while. The watch warning map, some air stagnation advisories over parts of eastern Washington, northern Idaho. Flash flood watches in sections of eastern Oklahoma, northwest Arkansas. Winter weather advisories behind that in western Oklahoma, parts of the Rockies as well. And dense fog advisories for sections of the Gulf Coast. The convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the contiguous United States. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. The heaviest rain along the Gulf Coast, but here in the west and specifically in Arizona, it is dry and will remain so for a while. And we'll talk about why that is now as we take a look at the models. Check it out, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our ridge along the west coast, kind of a weakness in the ridge, a little area of low pressure that may try to develop over the weekend. We'll talk about that too. But for us today, down at the surface, sunny skies return and high temperatures, mid-80s. Tonight, clear, lows in the 50s to low 60s. And then tomorrow, sunny again, highs in the mid to upper 80s. Over the weekend, that little weakness in the ridge I talked about, yeah, the GFS is hinting at another very weak upper low developing out there. We will see some clouds come into the mix. We'll call it partly sunny for Saturday. High temperatures in the mid-80s. Sunday, a bit more sun, highs in the mid-80s. Low to mid-80s on Monday, partly cloudy skies. Tuesday, the upper heights come down just a little bit more, highs in the upper 70s to near 80. And Wednesday, partly cloudy, highs in the mid to upper 70s. Here's a week from today. This is Thursday the 14th. Very weak ridge in here, westerly flow. Heights about where they should be, so temperatures pretty close to average. And going out 10 days, this is the end of the forecast period, Saturday the 16th, and that looks like a trough coming through the southwest. If that verifies, maybe some unsettled weather, but this is 10 days out. Nothing to get too worked up about. Taking a look at the precipitation, the QPF coming off of the European ensemble for the next couple of weeks looks pretty dry. And the temperatures through the period off the Euro, well, again, temperatures will be trending down after this weekend, and as we go into next week, highs getting back down into the 70s, lows mostly in the 50s. Pretty typical November weather. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there and have a fantastic Thursday.